Welcome to this new video of reasoning series. Hope that you have already learned from the previous videos and you are doing the revisions. In this video, we'll be learning something new, and that is analogy. So let's start. Here, this is something very easy to understand. There are certain relationship between two given words on one side of this symbol. Okay, and in the question, when you see the question, it will be much clear to you. And in the other side, one word is given. So basically, there are two pairs of words. In the left side of that pair, you will find this symbol, the two dots. You will find this is basically equivalent symbol. Okay, that is used in mathematics. So in the left side, you will find there are two words, one pair of words, and they are having some relationship. In the right side, you will find one word, and you have to find out the other word. And the other word in the right side having the same relationship with the one word that is given in the right side, and that relationship is same as the pair having in the left side. So let us see it so that you can understand it in a better way. Let us see another example. We have knife. So this knife is used to cut. So we have now X. Now that X we use to do what? So you must know the meaning of the words that is given here. So we are not going to discuss the meaning of the words, but the appropriate word that is connected with the X is chop. Okay. So let us go to the next one. Eye, that is used to wink. So what is the wink? This is how we wink. Similarly, for heart, what is the exact word that we use? Throb. So it is advised to you that you please check the meanings in the dictionary so that you can connect to the answers. Now you can see the next question you have dues. So dues, it is connected with tennis. And what is the meaning of dues? Dues is a situation where the two players, two players who are playing the games having the same point. Okay, so this is 40. One team is having 40, another team is having same 40. The highest point is 50. So just before the last point, both of them having the same point. So that creates deuce, and it is used in tennis. So what is the word googly related to? So googly is related to cricket. Most of you may have seen that bowlers is doing when they are bowling or spinners especially, they do some kind of googly. The off spinner is doing leg spin. The leg spinner is doing off spin. Okay, so these are known as googly. Our next question is good is related to bad, and what will be roof is related to. So you can see good is related to bad. Good is the someone who is good, doing something great, and bad is someone who is doing bad, not that good. So these two are obviously opposite words. So good, the opposite word is bad. So roof, the opposite word will be floor. So that is how you have to find out the missing words. Let us see what is there. So next question is wizard, witch, monk is what? So wizard and witch, both of them do some kind of magic, not for good purpose, but wizard is a male and witch is a female. So similarly, monk, we have to find out, monk is the male version, so we have to find out the female version, and that is nun. Now in our next question we have jungle and we have zoo. So zoo is the you can see jungle is the largest part, larger version, where we can see animals and on different types of reptiles and on different types of birds and all. And zoo is a artificially created jungle, you can say, where we keep animals so that visitors can visit and see it, enjoy. Similarly, we have sea, and definitely in the sea we have some uh, creatures who is staying in the water, especially fish, different types of fish. So that kind of artificial world we can create in aquarium. Okay, so the correct answer will be aquarium. Now fill in the blanks by identifying the appropriate relationship. So this is what you have to do now. Okay, so what is the relationship that you have to find out? So here we have to fill the blanks, and before that you have to identify the relationship. So tennis is related to court in the same way boxing is related to. So tennis is related to court means tennis we play in the court. Okay, so similarly the boxing is related to where we play the boxing. So where we play the boxing we play in the ring. If we move to this next question, a writer is related to reader. In the same way, producer is related to. A writer is related to reader. A writer writes and reader reads what writer writes. Okay. So in the same way, producer produce the movie and someone watch it. So who are those? Or someone producer not movie producer produce something, and someone whatever he will produce someone have to consume it, use it, and those who are using it, those are known as consumer. So producer is related to consumer who consumes. The producer produce biscuits and consumer consumes. Moving on to the next question is Satyajit Ray is related to films in the same way as Picasso is related to. So Satyajit Ray is related to films. He produced films, right? And Picasso, he is related to, he usually paint. Okay, so Picasso, famous Picasso. Okay, so this is how you will have to find out the missing words. Life is related to death, and the same way hope is related to. So life, if someone is life and that, these are something opposite words. So hope is related to that is despair, right? So that is the opposite word of hope. That is hopeless. There is no hope. Okay. Now in this type of question, a pair of words is given followed by four pairs of words as alternatives. There is certain relationship between the first pair of words. Find out the same type of relationship. So here we have darkness and lamp. We use to remove the darkness. Okay. So if you have darkness, the next one is lamp is used to reduce it, to remove it. So what will be the answer here? So the appropriate answer will be this thirst, which when we are thirsty then we drink water, right? Medicine, when we have medicine we do not fall ill. Okay, it is because of illness we take medicine. We go to the classroom to study. We do exercise, then we feel fatigue. Okay, so these are all not matching that way. Hope that you this video is clear to you. In the next video we'll be learning more about reasoning. Please do practice the reasoning in home, and the next video will be providing you more information about some new topics, and hopefully this reasoning is very much useful to your career growth. Thank you very much and keep watching.